In this video, I'm going to show how to create a road sign, and on the surface of the road sign, I would like to create a material and then attach an image of that road sign on the surface of the road sign. Okay, so first I need to search an image from internet. Like here, I search keyword road sign Hong Kong, and there's a lot of image of road sign in Hong Kong. And then I would like to take this one as the material. So I try to visit that site and then click on that and right click it and download this image to my local computer. Okay, once this image is already exists in your computer, then next I'm going to create a material. You can see in my DGN, I got a road sign. There's a block here, and this block I'm going to attach a material on the surface. So I can move to visualization workflow. And then in the material group, I click on this icon to extend to launch the material editor. There's some preloaded palette file, and I'm going to create one by myself. So I go to palette and then create a new one. And I give the name of this palette like road sign. So you can treat the palette as a library of material. And this is one I just create called road sign. And under the road sign palette, I'm going to create one new material. So I highlight the road sign and go to material and new. Then I'm going to create a new material under the palette road sign and give the name like this is sign 1. Okay, so this is the new material I just created, and highlight on that material. I don't need to modify anything, but just I would like to attach a pattern map. So I can go to this icon to attach a pattern map. Click on this icon, and this pattern map dialog will be launched. And I'm going to use an image as my pattern map. So I select image here, and then I click the ... button, and then locate the image I just downloaded from internet. I place the image in the same location of my active DGN. So I click on that image and click open. Then I will have this image load and as my pattern map. And some more setting on this pattern map is I want to merge that image fit the size to my surface. So I set the unit B surface, and I don't want to repeat on both X or Y direction, and uncheck repeat. And then if you need some rotation on the pattern map, for example, I set the rotation be 0 degrees and then close it. Okay, so I create a new material named sign 1 and attach an image as the pattern map. Next, I'm going to attach this material to my surface. So I can right click on the material and then select attach. And then I can select the block for my first click, and then select the second click to the surface where you want to attach the material. So I move to this surface, and left click accept it. Okay, so this surface has been highlighted, and then left click to accept it. And you will find that material has been attached to the surface of this block. But you will find that image seems it is rotated. So I need to modify the material again about the rotation. So I go back to the material editor and select on my material and then click on this pattern map again. And you can see here, I can rotate my image. So I set the rotation be 90 degrees and then close this dialog and save the material and then close the editor. You can now see the image has been attached correctly as a pattern map to my material, and this material has been attached to the surface.